Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan, and here I am in my little corner of the internet talking about pens and inks and planners and all of that, and I appreciate you all joining me today. I have a new pen that I will be unboxing. So I was reached out to by BENU, and they asked me to pick out something from their website, one of their exclusives, and I was very honored to be given that opportunity. And what I chose is something that's probably out there already, but what made it stand out for me, actually, I'll show you. I won't spoil it right off the bat here. But first thing that you'll notice is this doesn't look like your regular BENU box. I love BENU's very simple white cardboard packaging. It makes it very simple, but also makes it so that the money that you're spending on the pen is on the pen itself rather than the packaging. But this just feels so regal compared to all of the other packaging that BENU uses. So it is in a black box, and it is a magnetic clip box, and you've got the embossing of BENU on there. And then when we open it, I'll show you. Ta-da! We have, gosh, my fake plant is getting in the way. A BENU Talisman. How gorgeous is that? Before I take that out of the box, like, look at how luxurious this box is. And you can't really lift it up, but you can see the very long cartridge there. I may actually keep that and use that. Then you've got the product warranty and information. And then in this very luxurious, almost awards season envelope, you have the description of the pen. So this is Northern Gold. An inspiration and substance added to the material of the pen is amber. So the spiritual and cultural symbolism is good health, wisdom, and good fortune. So the Talisman collection, what these pens actually have different about them is that they have part of the material in the pen itself. So in this pen, the material is amber. And there's a lovely story about how amber is often called the Northern Gold. And it's a beautiful, beautiful crystal because it does sparkle like crystal. It glows with the warmth of ancient sunlight. And I'm reading here, amber continues to enchant as both a natural wonder and a spiritual guide. It preserves time itself. So the air bubbles, the ancient pollen, and insects suspended for millions of years. It reminds me, and that's probably it too, who remembers Jurassic Park with the insect that was kept in that amber? Or anyone who watches Outlander, the dragonfly in amber. So very, very interesting. So, and that's what I appreciate about the talismans, is that there is something of that material in the pen itself. So here we have the Northern Gold. So let's move the box here. How gorgeous is that? But one thing I already want to show you is that notice the color of that clip. That clip is gold plated, but also it has a matching gold plated nib. Yes, finally a gold plated nib to actually match the pen. And I know a lot of the feedback that BENU has received, especially for some of their pens, is that they wanted a color other than silver for all of their nibs and all of their hardware. So to see that is fantastic. All right, so now I have here the BENU Talisman in the Northern Gold. I was going to compare it to other pens, and I realized, let's just look at how beautiful that resin is. But also I do love, and I mean, it's not as yellow gold as I would like it to be, that clip, but I'm glad that they're making the effort to having the hardware match the pen more. But let's just look at all of that glitter and all of that amber. Like, that's stunning. That is absolutely stunning. And realizing my nails kind of match here. But I love that. I love the transparency here. And the shimmers and the sparkles. It's just a stunning, stunning pen. And I really appreciate that they do have that gold-plated Schmidt nib. It is a steel nib, but I appreciate the fact that it is gold-plated, because a silver or a rhodium-plated nib would just look off. in this design. So let's go ahead and compare the size of the Talisman with other pens in my collection. Now, I do not have a BENU Euphoria in my collection just because that pen is actually uncomfortable and too big for me. So let's compare with others that I have in my collection here. So to compare this to others in my collection, we've got the Esterbrook Esty in Tortoise, the Lamy 2000, the Leonardo Memento Zero, and the TWSBI Eco. Just realized I have ink on my finger. Now, in terms of length, yeah, the BENU Talisman is actually the shortest of the bunch, but let's look at them uncapped. When they are uncapped, the BENU Talisman is actually slightly longer now than the Esterbrook Esty and the Lamy 2000. The Leonardo Memento Zero is probably about the same, and then the TWSBI Eco is quite long. But you've got, I'm going to actually switch these two up here so you can see all of the number 6 Jowo nibs. Sorry, the number 6 size nibs next to each other. The BENU Talisman has a Schmidt nib, but look at the similarity in size to the Jowo number 6. Let's bring that actually a little bit closer here. So you can see the similarities between the Jowo and the Schmidt. However, the nibs are not interchangeable with any Jowo nib pens due to the fact that the housing is different and the threading to get into the grip section of the pen is different. So let's go ahead and weigh this pen and ink this up. Okay, so this pen capped is 22 grams, so a very light pen actually, and then uncapped it is 13 grams, so the cap itself is 9 grams, so quite a lightweight pen. And as you've seen, it is a twist cap, so how many turns does it take to uncap? We've got 1, 2, just over 2. And I know I've had some comments about, but when you actually use it in your hand, it feels like you're turning it so much more. You count 1 full rotation as the time or the distance from where the cap is, and how 1 rotation is 1 full rotation of the cap around. And then in terms of its sizing, this is actually for me a good size pen. I like the distance, I say distance, but the width of the grip section compared to the body, there isn't a huge difference between the width of the body and the grip section. And I think that was what the issue was for me with a BENU Euphoria. The body of the Euphoria is so much bigger, and there's a huge step between the grip and the body, which made it really, really uncomfortable for me. And then with the Talisman, there isn't that huge difference between the two. And so the pen sits very, very comfortably here in my Perlicue, but also with a larger difference between the body and the grip, I feel like I have to hold the pen differently. And I think that's what leads to the discomfort in my grip. So really comfortable pen. You can also post it. Doesn't make it too back heavy, but for me personally, where the cap sits when I hold it is starting to irritate my Perlicue. So I don't normally post my pens, but it is definitely postable, and it actually posts pretty heavily, deeply. So it posts to about there. But I mean, why would you want to cover that? It's just absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and choose a lovely ink for this pen. I'm going to get my pen rest here, and I think I already have the perfect ink for this. We're going to use Diamine Amber, because why wouldn't we use amber for Northern Gold or an amber pen? Let's go ahead and fill that. And if I haven't already addressed it, it is a cartridge or a converter, and it already comes with the converter in the pen. So let's go ahead and fill that up. All right, I am here in my Hobonichi A5 notebook with 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. This pen profile stamp is from Everyday Explorers Co., and I've left a link to their shop in the description below. So let's go ahead and write with the BENU Talisman. So the brand is BENU. Model is Talisman. Wow, I cannot spell. And the nib is, what do you think it is? Actually, what nib did I get? That's a fine. And the color is Northern Gold. And the ink is Diamine Amber. Wow. BENUs are not a pen that actually have stayed in my collection for very long. I just never found the one but I do love this northern gold and what the amber symbolizes. The pen is comfortable in the hand. The fine nib writes smoothly with a touch of that crisp feedback of the Schmidt nib, and it's got great flow. I'm just doing some figure eights here down at the bottom. So there is the BENU Talisman in Northern Gold, and it is available through BENU, and it is just beautiful. Thank you very much to BENU for sending this through to me. The more that I look at it, the more that I love it, and I love what the amber symbolizes. It reminds me of some of my favorite things in literature. I say literature, but you know, Dragonfly and Amber from Outlander, the amber that held the insect in Jurassic Park. Wow, those are my pieces of literature. But it's beautiful how it can just freeze time in what it holds there, and I love that that's what this symbolizes. And the amber ink is actually a great match. It looks a little bit more orange than the amber in here, but I I couldn't, oh, I can't even say that. I had to ink up the Northern Gold with an amber ink. It's just had to. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.